What's up, everybody? This is your boy Jay Field from howtomakeverysickbeats.com. Welcome to 2014. And if this is your first time watching any of my videos, welcome, welcome, welcome. Today we're going to talk about a little technique for using space in your beats using drum breaks. So let's get into it. I have a simple 2-bar drum break. Here it is. Alright. And I also have a sample here. Actually, that's taken from the Very Sick Keys sample library, just in case you're wondering. That's where I got that from. So let me let you guys hear the beat together. After I, pitched it and chopped it, here it is. Alright, so y'all got the idea. Now what I see cats doing a lot is they might play the beat live and then have track mute, right? Which means you can mute each track while it's playing, for example. And put space in it, you know what I mean? So you get the idea. I could take the organ out, okay, and it'll just keep going. I just muted that out. I could put it back in, hit it again. Now what if I wanted to get more creative with that, with the drums? I'm speaking primarily for the drum break. Let me show y'all a little trick. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the drum break onto two additional pads. Here's the original, and I'm going to copy that same break on the two different pads. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put space in those copies. Let me show y'all what I'm talking about. So I'm on my trim page, and this is the original break, right? What you're going to do is copy that break 2 times. So let's open break, and then you're going to copy it. It's going to say copy break 4. That's just random. I had 2 and 3, but I'm just experimenting. So do it, and then copy it again. Alright, so you got break 5 and break 4, which are 2 copies of the original break 1. So what I'm going to do is put some spaces in those different breaks. So let's experiment. This is how it would sound like if I wanted just to come in like right here. Alright. So what I'm going to do is cut off that front part. The part that you want. Let me do this. This is a shortcut because scrolling can be very tedious. If you hit the shift button and the arrow, oh, hold on. Let's do this again. I'm doing this with one hand, so watch this. If you hit the shift button and the cursor, you can scroll a lot faster. Alright. So this part I want to cut off. Y'all see that? This part right here I want to cut off. So make sure that's dark. Then you hit edit, and you're going to go to where it says silence section. Do it. Okay. Now watch this. Boom. So now you got that space in there. Now let's edit break 5, which is still a copy of the original break, but we're going to put a space somewhere else this time. Let's say we want to put the space at the end, so it would sound like maybe, okay, yeah, right there, something like that. So what we're going to do is come from the beginning just come in right there. Okay, now this part you cut off, space right there. So let's hit edit, and then you're gonna put silent section. Do it. Now you see how there's space right there now? See what it sounds like. Break. Alright, so now let's go back to the main page and see what we have. Oh yeah, one more thing, we gotta assign those two, because this is what the original was. Let's put those two other breaks on these pads, so let's assign real quick. So let's go to program, drum 1, and here we go. We're going to press pad 2, and I'm going to put, that's going to be break 4. Now let's go to pad 3, press pad 3. It's nothing on it right now. I'm going to break 5. So now it should be on there. Original, copy, copy. Both copies have different spaces in those breaks now. So now let's apply this. Watch this. Space. See that? And go back. Original. Let's try this one. Watch this. They put the space in there. Switch it up. So you got the idea? Have fun with it. Just experimenting. Try it out. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm going to be doing videos like this all year round. This is how we do it over here. So thanks for watching. Peace. I'll check you out on the next one. When is it too late to say Happy New Year? Anyway, Happy New Year. Peace, y'all.